When it comes to home improvement in Auburn Hills, energy efficiency is often a top priority. With rising energy costs and growing environmental awareness, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to enhance the efficiency of their homes. One solution that stands out is the installation of awning windows. These unique windows not only offer aesthetic appeal but also contribute significantly to reducing energy consumption. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows them to provide excellent ventilation even during light rain, as the glass acts as a protective cover. Typically operated using a crank handle, awning windows are often installed higher on walls, providing privacy while still allowing natural light to flood in. Energy efficiency benefits of awning windows: improved insulation. Awning windows are known for their superior sealing capabilities. When closed, they press firmly against the frame, creating an airtight seal. This minimizes drafts and prevents heat loss during Auburn Hills' cold winters. Many modern awning windows also come with double or triple glazing, which provides an additional layer of insulation. Optimal ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining indoor air quality and regulating temperature. Awning windows can be positioned strategically to facilitate cross ventilation, allowing fresh air to flow through your home. During Auburn Hills' milder months, natural ventilation reduces the need for energy-intensive air conditioning. Natural light utilization. One of the easiest ways to save on energy bills is to maximize the use of natural light. Awning windows, often installed higher on walls, allow sunlight to penetrate deep into rooms without compromising privacy. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, further cutting down on energy consumption. Weather resistance. Auburn Hills experiences a variety of weather conditions, from snowy winters to rainy spring days. Awning windows' unique design allows you to keep them open for ventilation even during light rain, without worrying about water entering your home. This capability ensures consistent airflow without relying heavily on HVAC systems, especially during transitional weather. Energy-efficient materials and coating. Modern awning windows are made with energy-efficient materials, such as low emissivity, low-E, glass, which reflects heat back into the room during winter and keeps it out during summer. Frames made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass also provide better thermal performance compared to traditional wooden frames. Tailored solutions for Auburn Hills homes. Auburn Hills boasts a mix of architectural styles, from contemporary builds to charming historical homes. Awning windows are versatile enough to complement any design. Their sleek, unobtrusive profile works well in modern homes, while their functionality and classic appeal make them a great choice for older properties. Local window installation professionals in Auburn Hills can provide customized awning window solutions to suit your specific needs. For example, energy-efficient awning windows can be tailored with specialized glazing and frame materials that meet Michigan's climate challenges. Cost savings and environmental impact. Investing in awning windows is not only a smart financial move but also an environmentally conscious one. By reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems, awning windows lower your home's overall energy consumption, translating to significant savings on utility bills. Additionally, reducing energy usage helps decrease your home's carbon footprint, contributing to a healthier environment. Tips for maximizing energy efficiency with awning windows. Choose quality materials. Opt for windows with double or triple glazing, low-E glass, and insulated frames. Professional installation. Improper installation can lead to air leaks and reduced efficiency. Always hire a certified professional to ensure a proper fit. Regular maintenance. Keep the hinges, seals, and glass clean and well maintained to ensure optimal performance. Pair with energy-efficient treatments. Use energy-efficient blinds or curtains to further regulate indoor temperatures. Conclusion. Awning windows are more than just a stylish addition to your Auburn Hills home. They're an investment in comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. By enhancing insulation, optimizing ventilation, and utilizing natural light, these windows help reduce energy costs while improving your living environment. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, awning windows offer a practical and visually appealing way to embrace energy efficiency. Take the step toward a greener and more cost-effective future by exploring awning window options tailored to your Auburn Hills residents. With their blend of functionality and charm, awning windows are a win-win solution for homeowners seeking to make their homes both beautiful and efficient.